Hi everyone, welcome back to Junior Lab Coats. Today we're going to be talking about density, and we're going to make this really cool thing called a density tower. So if you don't know what density is, that's okay, because you'll definitely know by the end of this experiment. So let's get started. So the materials that you'll need for this experiment are water, 5 glass containers, well they don't have to be glass, but 5 containers, 1 tall glass, vegetable oil, soap, rubbing alcohol, and honey, as well as a turkey baster, and some objects around the house that have different sizes or mass or volumes and different weights or mass. So I chose to use a dice, a screw, a penny, a grape, a popcorn kernel, and a bottle cap. But you can use these or anything that you find around your house. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is put all of our substances in their own little container so that we make sure we have the same amount of each substance. So I did 3 tablespoons of each substance. It doesn't really matter what order you do it in, but be sure to clean off the tablespoon after each substance so that there's no residue to mess up the next substance that you measure out. It's now time to put it in our glass. So, the first substance that we put in our glass is the honey. Now be super careful not to get any of it on the sides of the glass. Just pour it right in the middle. After the honey, I added the soap. To do this, I used the turkey baster. I squeezed the top and then lifted the little thing at the bottom to let it out into the glass. Be sure to rinse out the turkey baster each time you use it. After the soap came the water. Again, I used the turkey baster. After the water was the oil, using the turkey baster. I wanted the layers to be a little bigger, so I added some extra oil. And the last thing I put in was the rubbing alcohol, and I used the turkey baster as well to do this. Like the oil, I added more rubbing alcohol because I wanted the layer to be higher. So after you put everything in, let it sit for a couple of minutes to let all the substances fully separate. It should look something like this. Okay, so after you let it sit for a little bit, you can see the 5 distinct layers. So the top is the alcohol, middle is the oil, this one right here is the water, soap, and honey. So now for the fun part. So take all of your objects and just drop them in. So I'm going to do the dice first. And next I'm going to do the penny. And after that, I'll do the popcorn kernel, the grape, and the bottle cap. So what's kind of cool about this experiment is you can see that the different things, so like the dice sank to the bottom because it's heavier, the grape is on top of the soap because it's not as heavy as the dice, and the bottle cap is on top because it floats on top of the rubbing alcohol. So how come they land on different levels? Why is that? This is because the different densities of the liquids allow different objects to float or sink according to their mass and volume or weight and size. So since the bottle cap is lighter, it floats, but since the dye is heavier, it has a bigger mass, it will sink to the bottom of the honey. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments, and I'll see you later.